Hello sa iyo, Kimbert. Merong concern si Kimbert, no? Ang sabi niya, tanong po Sir Fitz, ngayong sideways ang market, maganda bang strategy yung pagkuha ng dividend stocks? Gusto po kasi diversified ang portfolio ko sa stock market. Meron na po akong growth stocks. I would say yes, but specifically, look into REITs. No? Yung mga dividend paying stocks, medyo ano pa rin siya eh. I wouldn't say volatile, but most of the good dividend-paying stocks are speculative unless you want to invest for the long term. You can get a preferred share. Kung talagang super long term, no, I would say 10 years or so yung investment horizon, you can definitely get yung mga preferred shares kasi sila talaga yung may dividends. But for the short and medium term, right now, REITs pa rin yung pinakamagandang choice if you want to invest for dividends. Okay? So, maganda ba mag-invest kasi sideways yung market? Yes. Oo. Sa sideways na market, maganda mag-invest sa mga blue chip. Kasi yung mga blue chip, ano yan, slow and steady growth. Then, invest in REITs kasi sila yung may dividends, may income. Especially pag sideways your market, kapag during these types of economic cycle, yung mga defensive stocks are actually good investments. So, ano ba yung defensive stocks? Ito yung mga stocks na kumikita kahit na up or down yung market, katulad ng mga financials. Ayan na naman yung ating mga financials and mga consumer products, and also yung real estate. Okay? Kasi sabi nila ang real estate daw ay defensive stock kasi people will always babies are born every day, so families are created every day, families grow every day, which means people will need a place to live, will continuously need to find a place to live. So that's why real estate is considered a defensive stock or a non-cyclical stock kasi tuloy-tuloy ang demand niyan. Ang challenge lang talaga kasi sa real estate is yung location. If you're going to buy an actual real estate property or if you are going to invest in a REIT, then make sure to study the portfolio of the REIT or make sure to choose a real estate property na nasa isang location na maganda ang future potential. But the sector itself, real estate, is a non-cyclical sector, and it does well, or it is stable during times of bad economy, but it performs well during good times. Alright? So maraming salamat, Kimbert, sa question mo.